Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Imagine Dragons Mercury Tour. Our own Kevin Mitchell checks in with the sound and audio crew on this sold-out tour, who, armed with an all-Adamson rig from Sound Image, have managed to turn hockey rinks into concert halls for thousands of delighted fans. This month's installation spotlight looks at new House of Worship projects. As the boom and audio upgrades continue, we visit some first-class church installs that answer the call for improved musicality and voice intelligibility. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on large format consoles. For the really big assignments, you need a high input capacity solution. We present the best of these top-of-the-line miracle machines. We also take an inside peek at the science behind Meyer Sound's new flagship line array system, which makes its official world debut on Ed Sheeran's European tour, which kicks off in London this month. Steve Savanu checks out Plion Technologies CrewCom CB2 wireless intercom that's designed for small applications, yet offers exceptional range, high audio quality, and a host of useful features. This is the season that Live Sound pros begin making checklists for touring and festival work. Yet Steve Lacera explains that with the specter of the pandemic, a less than distant memory, things these days can still get complicated. With the holy days right around the corner, our man in the pews, John McJunkin, offers advice on handling events, pageants, and special services for large numbers of worshipers.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.